Greetings, Earthicans. Today, I have a Citizen 6100-S20269. This is a nice looking little dress watch made by the Citizen Watch Company, which was a Japanese company that was also founded by Swiss investors. A fun little watch. Today, all we're doing is replacing the battery. I'm just going to put it on a little watch vise here, and with a opening tool, just pop it open. I didn't really see any divots to use the tool in, so I'm assuming you can just place it anywhere, and just with a bit of force you should be able to open it up. Okay, so here we can see the back casing, just a little simple thing, and here is a good look at the movements. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. It's just a nice simple quartz movement made by the Citizen company as shown there. I'll just rotate it so that you can, actually read it. Now there is nothing covering the battery, which is a SR621SW or a 364. And because the battery is just sitting there, all you need is like a little screwdriver or something just to pop it open, like so. So I'm just going to use a Renata 364 battery. I generally find that any kind of battery ordered online is typically fine. Like I don't find there's generally that big of a difference when you use different kinds of batteries. Alright, so now that the battery is in the mechanism, all that is really left is to simply push the case back on it. It takes a little bit of force, but with the right amount of kind of pressure, you get it just like that. With the rear case back on it now, your watch should be working. With the watch now working, we can use the crown to set the proper time. To access the day and date function, you kind of have to find that little middle click on the crown to access it, and if you turn it clockwise, you can set the weekday, as shown in both English and Italian here, and if you turn counterclockwise, you can see the calendar date change. These Citizen watches with the 6100 movement and the day and date functions don't go for a lot of money. I'd find that they go for around 40-ish bucks. And for that price, these look pretty nice. This particular Citizen has a nice classic look to it, and even on my small wrist, I do enjoy the way it looks. I do appreciate you watching this video. This is pretty much my first repair that I've recorded, and I do plan on slowly bend my way up to more mechanical movements. However, I find that to do that, I need proper and pricey tools. So I'm going to do mostly quartz movements for a good bit before I'm ready to start tackling those kinds of things. Thank you for watching.